Hi, it's Clint from Science Museum, Oklahoma. I'm here at my house, but I can show you something you can do at your house too to see something we normally can't see. Convection currents. Convection currents happen out in the ocean and in the air around us. But because it's air, we can't see them. So we're going to do a little activity here with things you probably have right in your home to be able to see this. What I've done is I warmed up some water in a mug. I filled up a container, a clear container, with some cool water. And I've got some food color here. I've got blue and yellow. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 spots of blue on the sides here. And that represents the air all around us. Now I'm going to put another spot of yellow right in the center. This represents the air around us too. But I'm going to add that warm water underneath our yellow food color. And as that energy from the warm water heats up the water above it, we should see that yellow food color, you guessed it, rise. And as it rises, it moves up. But it doesn't leave a void where it was. Where we have that low pressure from that yellow food dye moving up, the blue food color around it will want to move in and fill that spot as well. Now, you might watch the weather and see that we have a low pressure system surrounded by a high pressure system. When we have an area of low pressure, all that high pressure air around it will want to move in and fill that space that was occupied by the low pressure air, pushing a lot of it up, and with it you often get wind, clouds, and maybe even some precipitation. So this is an activity you can do at home to see something that is normally invisible. Convection currents, using some food color, some water, and maybe a hot mug to hold that hot water, and something else to hold the bigger group of water. It's important that it's clear so you can see. So this is something I find completely mesmerizing and love to watch. So again, this is Clint from Science Museum, Oklahoma, in my home, most likely, as you are too, doing something that you can do in your house to see how wonderful the world around us really is using science.